Hello and welcome back to Farawa. On November 13th, I failed my first driver's road test. I was so incredibly upset and disappointed in myself, and I take failure very hard. But I wanted to turn my negative emotions into a drive for something positive. I decided to bake.
It's not too bad.
I put a poll on YouTube, and by the time I started baking, one particular bake was winning. And the comments you guys left were just so lovely and encouraging, and thank you for that. So here we'll be baking pumpkin bread. I'm actually using a recipe for banana bread that I have and just replacing the banana with pumpkin. With the oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, in a large mixing bowl I am adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
And now I'm wondering, why are there no monsters around? And again,
1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
scared them all away. So wrap me up in a blanket made of night, woven from spider silk, nighttime sounds and starlight. I think
Then in a medium bowl I combined 1/2 a cup of butter. It's supposed to be softened, but as you can see, mine needs some work. Then I added 3/4 a cup of brown sugar,
I was frightened when we turned out the lights. But now I think I've got better sight. And this time
and 2 eggs,
it's my turn to learn a different way. I'm trying to see with different eyes, because here we are friends with fireflies, owls and nightbirds and foxes, cats and bats. The dark isn't lonely unless you want it like that. And I met some creatures who shine.
I'm using a pumpkin squash butter my mom made last autumn, but canned pumpkin or pureed pumpkin will probably work just as well. Oh no, there's mold. That means one of them wasn't properly closed. That's okay though, because I used the second one and then scooped the mold off of the first.
Blanket made of night, it's all fun in the sun.
So into the medium bowl I added 2 1/3 cups of that pumpkin mix and stirred everything together.
Dark, afraid that in the daylight people won't like who they are. And there's a place in the ground where
Then I combined the large bowl and the medium bowl until it was an even batter.
and there's a hole in the sky where the birds all pass on by. They scream violence. Silence is overrated when you've been alone.
Next up, line a baking tray with some type of non-stick. You can use butter, oil, or here I am using this silicone rubbery mat that will line the sides of the container.
And there's a spot right in town where the toads can send out a postcard.
I spread the mixture into the baking pan and added some pumpkin seeds for good measure. Then I put it in the oven for about 60 to 65 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out with no dough on it. Now it's time to clean up.
When you're on the road, don't start feeling afraid. The galaxy's your home.
I wanted to wait until my whole family was home before we ate any, so this is the very next day. I removed the lining and the bread looked pretty good. Once I sliced it, however, I did find that the bottom was just a little more doughy than I would have liked. But we toasted it and it was very nice. Though I was still in a melancholy mood, the baking certainly did take my mind mostly off of the test for a while. I hope this video brought you comfort, maybe an escape or a little break from one of your own challenges. So whether you passed the first time or failed like me, don't take it too hard because I found it's actually more common than I thought. Or if you're taking on a different challenge, don't take it too hard on yourself because it's only human to make mistakes. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, our Instagrams and Etsy will be linked below. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now, from Farawa.